The process is super easy and very simple. Then you will be here on this page. I was in Turkey last year. It's really a very beautiful place and you should visit also. Hello guys, क्या हाल चाल है? Guys, you know that you can get Turkish e-visa in just 5 minutes with 60 euros only. The process is super easy and very simple. Let me show you how. It's just few clicks. So what you need to do is you need to go on this website evisa.gov.tr. I will share the link of this website in the description below. Apply now and then you will get on this page, and here you have to put your country, and travel document is ordinary passport and you're applying for e-visa. Put the security code. Then you will be here on this page. You have to mention the date from which you want your visa to be valid. Actually, you usually get 6 months, like 180 days visa, and you can stay in the country for just 30 days. Let's say I want to travel from today. So I will put this date and then save and continue. And these are some prerequisites like, okay, yes. Going next, you will come on this form. Here you have to fill your very basic information: name, surname, date of birth, place of birth, mother's name, father's name, your passport number, and issue date and expiry date. Here you have to put, let's say, your supporting document, like where are you staying. Usually this visa is for some countries, especially for European countries. If you have a visa or residence permit of some European country, let's say I have visa of Ireland, then I can put the supporting document, let's say my visa number here, and also my visa expiry date, then my email address, my phone number, and my address, and then I can accept the terms and save and continue. So if you have the residence permit of any of European country, you can also put it here. If you have Korean, US, or any other visa also, you can put here and you will still get the visa. Save, continue, and after that you just need to do the payment, and then you will receive your visa in the PDF form in your email. So that's very easy and simple process. So do apply for the visa and visit the most favorite touristic place in the world. I was in Turkey last year. It's really a very beautiful place and you should visit also. If you have any questions regarding application of visa, you can ask me in the comments below, and have a nice journey to Turkey, I would say. Bye bye. See you in the next video.